Hello friends, if you have stretch marks and you are unable to wear the clothes which you always wanted to wear, you have to hide those stretch marks, this video is for you. Please go through the video till end, and if you haven't already subscribed our channel, subscribe it now. Please don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. I'm your friend Dr. Shail Gupta and I am a practicing dermatologist. Now, what are stretch marks? Stretch marks are types of scars which are formed because of undue stretching of skin. So that is why they are called stretch marks. Because of this stretching of skin, there is degeneration of connective tissue which is making the skin. So connective tissue basically consists of collagen and elastin. So there is degradation of collagen and elastin tissue in the skin. So initially when these stretch marks are formed, they are slightly reddish in color, and over a period of time the color tone changes and it becomes slightly hypopigmented as compared to the normal surrounding skin. So what are areas are affected commonly? Most commonly stretch marks are seen on abdomen, then they can be seen in the axillary region, especially with the pubertal outburst in height and all. So it's commonly seen around the joints, hair, in the thighs, most commonly on the abdomen, and it's also seen on your back. So what are the causes of stretch marks? The commonest cause of stretch mark is undue stretching of skin. It can be because of rapid gain or loss in weight. It can be because of rapid increase in height, especially pubertal growth when you see it's very rapid. Stretch marks are very common during pregnancy and postpartum period. But the difference of stretch marks which you usually get during pregnancy is it can be pigmented. That's because of excess of hormones, estrogen and progesterone in the body. Stretch marks can also form because of hormonal problems, because of some diseases like hypothyroidism. It can be seen in patients with PCOD, it can be seen in patients with Cushing syndrome where cortisol levels change. It can also be seen with some medications like oral steroids. When consumed, they make your skin more prone and fragile. The connective tissue breaks down easily and stretch marks are formed. Similarly, topical steroids creams can also cause stretch marks. Especially in India, a lot of people apply topical steroids for tinea cruris infection. That's the fungal infection of thigh. So the skin here is very fragile and it becomes further fragile, and stretch marks kind of rashes you will see there. That's again because of breakdown of collagen and elastin tissue in the skin. Alcohol consumption and smoking can also contribute to this. Another important factor is less water intake. Dehydrated skin otherwise becomes like loose and also it becomes more prone to degeneration. So keeping the hydration level of skin good is so important. What are the treatments available to treat stretch marks? So there are mostly the creams which or oils which are there. There are combinations of different oils, some herbs. There are some glycolic acid preparations also which we use. Most of them have some or the other kind of moisturization. They have vitamin A, E, D in them, and they are like quite helpful. More than the cure, they help in prevention or delaying the severity of stretch marks. So applying moisturizer throughout the periods when you know that stretch marks can come, like when you are planning to lose weight or when you are gaining weight or maybe during pregnancy or postpartum. So that is the period when you must apply moisturizer, good amount of moisturizer repeatedly on your skin. If you have already got stretch marks, they obviously they fade out with time themselves. Body has got its own healing mechanism, but sometimes they stay there, and if they are deep and if the collagen degeneration is significant. So in such cases, there are some treatments which we classify as collagen induction treatments. So these treatments are based on the fact that we give a controlled injury to your skin. Since the injury is controlled, it doesn't cause any damage to the skin. And because after injury there is regeneration of tissues, so new tissues are formed like collagen, elastin. The circulation also improves in that area, and that improves the strength of skin, and the stretch marks are significantly reduced. Now, collagen induction treatments can be derma roller. That's a wonderful treatment where we use an instrument on the skin which has multiple small tiny needles, and it gives a kind of physical injury to the skin. This is done after applying numbing cream to the skin. There is another treatment called scarlet laser or fractional laser. This is amazing treatment. It works on very tricky areas also, and sometimes we combine these treatments like derma roller with this. Another treatment which works on this is PRP. If the stretch marks are really deep in some areas, if the degeneration is just too much, uh, after doing roller or after doing fractional, we add platelet rich plasma there, which is derived from your own blood because it has got abundance of healing cells in it. Chemical peels also can help in some patients, especially if there is some kind of pigmentary issues associated with the stretch marks. So generally we do this session once in a month. We give some time for the body to recover and regenerate collagen and elastin. So in most of the cases, 4, 5, 6 sessions are required. We can't completely eradicate the stretch marks, but they fade out and they become very less visible. Prevention is always better than cure. There are some home remedies. There are certain things which you can do at your home to prevent stretch marks, or at least to reduce the severity of stretch marks. One of the best treatment obviously is moisturization. So you can use olive oil. That's a wonderful oil which really helps. You can either use almond oil. Again, it is rich in vitamin E, A, and it's really good. You can use coconut oil. You can use some moisturizers, like they have cocoa butter or different types of butter in it, and that's also useful. Another important thing which I usually recommend my patients is combination of glycerin, rose water, and lemon. So it works wonders in most of my patients. I've seen amazing results with this, and this is, you can say, the grandmother's nuskha, which has been there in India for quite a long period now. Raw honey application can also lighten up the stretch marks. It's very useful, and it is very rich in antioxidants. Aloe vera application, that extract from plant, that is also very useful. I've seen many people responding really very nicely to this treatment. However, in case you feel any itching, burning, redness because of application of these home products, please stop using it. You might be allergic to it, and then you need to consult your dermatologist. Another very common product in kitchen is potato. Potato slices, potato juice can really help to lighten up the stretch marks. That's again a time-tested formula. Then egg white, that is also very useful in lightening the stretch marks. That has also been found to be useful to reduce the stretch marks. Keeping the hydration level of your skin is really so important. The skin will be dehydrated and more prone to degeneration. It is really important when you know that this period you are prone to get stretch marks, like when you are planning to lose weight or when you are gaining weight. These times are so important. Like during pregnancy, you should apply a good amount of moisturization repeatedly on the skin. Gentle massage really helps to regenerate. At that time, little bit of treatment will also help. It will help in regenerating the tissues. So there is no need to worry. If you have stretch marks, solution is right there. You can use these things which I have told you. They'll really help you. You can see the results in almost a week's time itself. And in case you have deeper stretch marks, you should consult a dermatologist. uh, he or she will suggest you proper treatments for that. So if you like the content of video, please press like button. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. You can follow me on Instagram also. The links are given in the description. If you haven't already subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.